I now request Father Jason Ravasso, Assistant Parish Priest of Our Lady of Gloria Church, Varga, to bless the facility, followed by the ribbon cutting ceremony by our esteemed dignitaries.
Mas pakai ya.
So this is emergency care center. So we have all the emergency setup. So this is not OPD as such, all emergency like MI, stroke, accident, any acute condition. Person comes with any acute colic in the stomach. So we check first, stabilize here. 1 hour later. At that time, suppose doctor can treat him here, it's fine. Otherwise, doctor will call 108 and refer it to appropriate.
So like 24 hours doctor.
Yeah.
MBBS doctor.
Yeah.
One MBBS doctor,
One advance paramedic.
one is MBBS and
One
one
is MBBS doctor, one advanced paramedic, and
advanced.
one
Helper.
So she is the MBBS doctor.
Yeah, these two.
both of the doctors here.
So
She
they
is the
are
paramedic and
Both
are
the doctors,
doctors.
they're in shifts.
trained in
They're
advanced para.
so one advanced paramedic and one.
Per shift.
Yeah,
One
per
doctor,
shift.
one shift.
And one MTS will help them out. So this is the setup. Everything emergency there because I have been to many centers there last 10 years. So they are doing good job. So acute anything they diagnose, and second thing they give you right guidance. And then people many times stay at home and just getting discomfort. At least they can come here, take an ECG, check their sugar, check their BP, and they can know the status of the health. So that he is also confident and doctor also confident like what to do. Can he go home or can he be referred better?
Just quickly look and then we'll see the press.
Yes.
Yeah. You just go quickly.
So, sir, this is the three-bedded dialysis unit. So, 2 sessions per day. So, session and everybody has alternate days. So, 6 plus next day.
18 patients, no?
Right now, 6 patients per day.
Total 18 patients we can get.
Yeah. So, I think it should be suffice for you can think of it. Okay, so this is the state of art.
Excellent.
Room you can see the big thing. It is RO filter. It is only thing electricity and water should be there.
Yes. I think water and
It
electricity has
takes
been
almost 4 hours for one patient to get dialysis. 3 times. So, ma'am, so this is the patient that and alternative. Right, alternate day, then this is done. And he will cater to all the needs of the young and old, especially one the dental patients.
three times a week.
Yeah.
Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Alternate.
Yeah, alternate. Morning 9 to
Yeah.
9 to
Our,
Excellent. Good. Yeah. Okay. Excellent.
Device is also set up is good, sir. Enough. Comfortable.
Requesting Father Jason Ravasso, Parish Priest of Our Lady, Assistant Parish Priest of Our Lady of Gloria Church, Varga, to bless the facility, followed by to bless the facility.
Bapaचे, Dudaचे, पवित्र आत्म्याचे नावी. पेलेवंत आमकां बरें करूंक आनी तांचे गोश्ट लोक करूंक दोनया जेजून आपल्या शिसांका आज्ञा दिली. तोच जेजू तुमचे सोबे आसूं. मातया प्रमाणे जेजू क्रिस्ताचे शुभ वर्तमान. जेजू आख्या गालिल्या भोंवतणी वचून तांच्या देवस्थानांनी शिकयतालो. स्वर्गा राज्याचे शुभ वर्तमान परगटालो आनी लोकांमध्ये सगळ्यांक जिन्साचो पिडा रोग बरो करतालो. तांचे नांव आख्खे सिरीयेक गाजले आनी सोमेस्त वायटकारांक सोबार जिन्साचो रोग आनी दुखीची पिडा आसलेल्यांक देवचार बसोल्यांक मोल्लूंक जालोल्यांक आनी आरेंद पडलोल्यांक ताची सुरशेक हाडटाली आनी तो तांकां बरी करतालो. गलिल्या, डेकापोलीस, जेरुसलेम, जुदेया आनी जोर्दाना वेले थोडी धांव घेवन लोकांच्यो व्हड उर्बोंची ताचे हातांत घेताल्यो. देवाचें उतर आमचो जबाब जातलो, सर्वेस्परा तुजेर विस्वास करता तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. म्हणया, सर्वेस्परा तुजेर विस्वास करता तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. पिडेवंतांक बरी करूंक आनी दुखवलेल्यांक बसोवन दिवंक क्रिस्त तुमी ह्या संवसारांत आयलो ताका आमी फाटीं करूंक. पिडेवंतांक बरी करूंक आनी दुखेस्तांक बुजवून दिवंक तूं आयलोय. पिडेवंतांक बरी करूंक बांदलेल्या त्या घरांत भितर सर. जबाब, सर्वेस्परा तुजेर विस्वास करता तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. देवाच्या राज्याच्या शुभ वर्तमान परगटतना खंयचीची सगळी पिडा तूं बरी करतालो. सगळ्यांक तुजी काकूळ आनी बरेपण दाखय. जबाब, सर्वेस्परा तुजेर विस्वास करता तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. तूं पिडेवंतांक हात लायतलोय आनी ती बरी जातली. हांगा भितर सरलेल्या आनी भितर सरची आसात त्या सगळ्या पिडेवंतांक तुजे कृपेन धीर कर. सभा, सर्वेस्परा तुजेर विस्वास करता तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. पिडेवंतांक बरी करूंक तुवें दोन दुदांक हुकूम घालो. पिडेवंतांची गोश्ट ल्हव करूंक पवित्र सभेची मागणी आयकून घे. सभा, सर्वेस्परा तुजेर विस्वास करता तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. तुज्या नांवान पिडेवंतांक भेट करतात आनी तांची गोश्ट उणी करतात. तांकां दिवीक मजुरी दितलोय म्हूण तुवेंच भासायना. पिडेवंत भाव भयणो, सोबे सदांच तुका पळोवन तांचो मोग करून आमचे सगळे काकुतीचो हुस्को वाडोय. जबाब, सर्वेस्परा तुजेर विस्वास करता तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. प्रार्थना. सर्वेस्परा आमच्या देवा, पवित्र आत्म्याच्या जोगोपरान तुज्या पुतान आमची पिडा शिडा बरी केली. आमच्यो दुखी कोती पडूंक गेल्यो आनी शिसांक शुभ वर्तमान परगटून धाडलें तेन्ना पिडेवंतांक भेट करूंक आनी तांकां बरी करूंक तांकां हुकूम घालो. हांगा रावतात तो रावतली तितल्याय पिडेवंतांक वयजांचो आनी तांच्या आदारांचो सांगात मेळून सदांच तांचो बरो परामोस जावं आनी हांगाची पांय सोदतली तेन्ना मनाची आनी कुडीची भलायकी मेळूं. निरोतरी तुजी काकूळ आनी म्हाका पावो. क्रिस्ता आमच्या सोया वरवीं आनी सोपुद्विदा देव बापाचो आनी पुताचो आनी पवित्र आत्मा तुमचेर आनी तुमच्या समस्तांचेर आशिर्वाद घालूं. आमेन.
Requesting all our dignitaries to kindly take a seat. We shall now hear from our respected dignitaries. Requesting Dr. Sidhu Arjun, consultant nephrologist and transplant physician to come forward.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and everyone gathered here today. Very good morning to all of you. We are here on a very auspicious and happy occasion because healthcare is one of the basic human rights that each and every individual is entitled to. And it is my great pleasure to be part of this opening ceremony of the healthcare center, because when healthcare becomes accessible to each and every individual, then our quality of life improves, and I think that is it is one of the foremost gifts that we can bestow upon humanity. So, as we all know, kidney disease is on the rise because of increase in diabetes, high blood pressure and other chronic conditions. In India, as compared to the rest of the world, the incidence of diabetes is going up and kidney disease also increasing. And I don't need to tell all of you, some of you might be kidney patients already, that it is something that can completely change your life when you get kidney disease. So to have access to dialysis, to have access to medical care close to your home and at your doorstep is indeed one of the privileges, I can say. So we are very happy at Apex to be part of the initiative. Apex, along with public-private partnership under the program, has this is the 17th center which has been opened, and more than 800 patients in Goa have benefited from dialysis services. So we will continue to strive and provide dialysis care to as many patients as possible, and quality dialysis care where they don't need to travel miles and miles to get their dialysis, and their quality of life will improve immensely. Thank you. And I thank sir for this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sidhu. I now request Dr. Sandesh Madkaikar, Chief Medical Officer, NCDC DHS Goa.
Very good afternoon. Respected Captain Vanji, MLA of this constituency, Sarpanches, JDP members, doctors, our clinical staff, our CHC Chinchinim, my friend and my colleague Dr. Nixon, all the other dignitaries, and माझ्या मोगा भावानो and बहिणानो. So today itself is a blessing day for you. As Father has blessed, it's a blessed day for all the villagers of Fatrade. Why I'll say that you are not even getting clinic, but you are getting one specialty facility. So indeed it is a great achievement for our MLA. I have practically not met him earlier. Today I am meeting him, and I used to always see him in the assembly session putting up our questions, villages question and question of Goa in front of the media and Goan people. And as a Goan, I am proud of him. Sir, what is this facility? I'll just tell you in brief. So we have three facilities here. One is Emergency Care Unit or ECC, Emergency Care Center. Second is Dental Care Unit, and third is Dialysis Center. So emergency म्हणजे तू किती मेटले? तर first of all, it is 24/7. So
from today, from now onwards, doctor, advanced paramedic, जेणे बरी ट्रेनिंग घेतलेली आसा असले क्रिटिकल चेक करपा लागून फ्रॉम आउटसाइड गोवा फ्रॉम बिग हॉस्पिटल एक टेक्निशियन आणि एक MTS तुमकां 24/7 इवन इफ यू कम at 3 o'clock in the night, 1 o'clock night, they will be there. Because I have seen such centers in Goa, and Goa is the only state which brings such centers to the villages. So we can say now the quality health service has come to the doorstep. A doctor will be there 24/7. So तुमकां खबर आसा की heart attack, stroke, any acute condition, accident, yes, cannot सांगून येना. So whenever you get this, we go in a panic mode because the doctor will be available 13 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 20 kilometers, and then we try to call ambulance. Ambulance is busy. Then that golden hour, what we call 1 hour, golden hour is wasted. So you can directly rush in here. Suppose तुमका कितें जालें जाल्यार we will be doing ECG, we will be doing your blood sugar, तुमचो BP पळयतले, तुमका assess करतले, and that golden hour, what is needed to be done, that doctor will decide. If ambulance is required, she'll call 108 and transfer wherever it is required, either to be transferred to the district hospital or Goa Medical College. So this is the setup, emergency care. So don't hesitate. Anytime if you get some condition, don't stay at home. Maka हे जाला, असं नाही काय ना, gas जाता. So post-COVID, we have seen that lot of increase in the heart attack cases, especially in the younger generation, less than 30, less than 40. We are getting around almost 150 heart attacks, STEMI, मतलब ST elevation MI, where you have to take acute action. More than 150 per. This month itself is 187. Since I monitor for the state of Goa, I know the figures very well. So around 200 people get heart attack in Goa for every month. So this population is there everywhere. So don't hesitate to take these services. This is government service, this will be available. No, a trained doctor, a trained paramedic, and a trained assistant is available 24/7. Second facility which will be available is the dental care. Every alternate day, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, a dentist will be catering to your need. So why a dentist is needed? तुमकां खबर आसतलें, ल्हान भुरग्यांक आनी जाणटेल्यांक सगळ्यांचो डेंटल प्रॉब्लेम आसा, आनी गोवा इज वन ऑफ द स्टेट वेर मॅक्झिमम डेंटल प्रॉब्लेम आसा. अशें बाकीच्यांक ना आसा, बट इन गोवा वी रिपोर्ट. Since we report, the figures come. So why we report? Because people go to dentist. So dentist will be available in the morning session, and she will take care of your dental health. And anybody is having any dental issue, she will solve it. Because if your dentals are not good, then there is problem in digestion, there is problem in nutrition. And if nutrition is not good of younger generation, then they become a weak adults. So third, and the most important facility which will be given here will be dialysis. खरें सांगपाक गेल्यार म्हाका अशें दिसता की हें दुयेंत कोणाकूच जावपाक जायना. It is a very pathetic state one person once he get dialysis issue. And mostly केन्ना जाता when our uncontrolled diabetes goes without treatment, proper treatment I am saying, for years. म्हणजे आमकां जर डायबिटीस आसा, व्हेरी हाय डायबिटीस, 300, 400, 500 शुगर, आनी आमी ताजी कॅरूच घेना, जाल्यार हो पेशंट आफ्टर 2 to 3 years गोज इन किडनी फेलियर. आनी तुमकां सांगपाक म्हाका बरें दिसना. एक्चुअली आय एम द हेड ऑफ डायलिसीस फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. Presently in government setup we have around 900 people taking dialysis, which is not a good sign because we are not controlling our diabetes. But once the kidneys goes, there is only one hope, that somebody has to give you transplant, which is very difficult. Yesterday itself, myself was in Bambole Ashilo, and there were 3 kidney patients who had come for transplant. I am one of the authority to sign it. आणि म्हाका सांगपाक बरें दिसना की आमचे गोवन पेशंट्स आर very much in the line, but all these patients, three, one was Nepali, one was from Karnataka, and one was from Maharashtra for the transplant where we have to sign. पण म्हाका दोतोर सांगतालो आमचो MS ऑफ GMC बाबा आमचे गोंयकार फक्त कोणी मरता काय म्हणून रावता ना कोणूच डोनेट करपाक वचना and maximum patient who take dialysis are Goan patients. So anyway, this facility your MLA has brought to your doorstep. Otherwise, I have seen dialysis patient आसा ताका तो काय बशीन वचपाक शकना, ताका गाडी करची पडटा. Every alternate day, thrice a week he has to go. Minimum district hospital he has to go. Otherwise GMC, you can know the expenses. The person has to go somebody assistant because sometimes after dialysis they get vertigo. They have to sit for sometimes because of heat in Goa. So this facility will be treating 6 patients, 6 into 2. In the alternate day, there are 12 patients at present. As and when Sir says, we will be increasing it. So I feel you should give one clap to your MLA for this facility. So what are our responsibilities as a visitor? First of all, doctors will be there 24/7. So please respect the doctor who are treating you. Give them respect, they will give you respect. Tell whatever happened to you and don't expect very high-fi services. So whatever doctor's duty is to stabilize the patient for 1 hour. So in whatever capacity, in whatever doctor's reach, he will try to do it because they are very much trained for this. कितेंय तुमकां जर फुडें चल म्हटलें, please take the referral 108 or ambulance and please go, they will arrange for you. Night time, please have some patience because doctor is also a human being, we are also human beings. So whenever you come, please wait and as your line comes, you please come. One more thing I would like to say, this is your clinic and in future it is going to be expanded and it will going to be in a better place. So if you give a very good welcome to all our staff and department, surely we are going to improve this facility and make it a bigger facility. So on behalf of our director, health minister and CM of Goa, I thank our MLA to bring this facility to the Fatrade village and thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sandesh. Now I request our Honorable MLA, Sir Captain Wenzi Vegas, to come forward.
Good morning everyone. Dev baro this new. बार झाले. Good afternoon everyone. So माचेर आज आमचबारार आमगेलो ex-ZP बाब जोसेफ पिमेंता हा भाणाले ex-ZP आमगे present ZP बाब माम Antonio Leo Fernandez Colva ZP हा आमचबारार from the DHS side Dr. Sandesh Madkaikar Chief Medical Officer NCDC DHS, Dr. Sidhu Arjun nephrologist from Apex Kidney Care, Ms. Sushma Saini Head State of EMRI Green Health Services, Dr. Nixon Martins Fernandez Medical Officer PHC Shishini, Dr. Akshaya Chari Dialysis Physician, Dr. Rakshit Jangeli Dialysis Physician, Father Jason Pravasco आज जे आमगेले क्लिनिक ब्लेसिंग दिला तो आणि तेच भाशेन आमगे सरपंच पंच मेंबर्स जे कोण माचेर आहाय आणि तुमचे मदाय आणि तुम्ही मुगे सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे आणि फातराडेचे मोगाळ भाव भयणानो आज पयली सुवातेर आय थिंक दिस इज अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट अँड माइलस्टोन फॉर गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट मेडिकल हेल्थ केअर सर्विसीस. आम सदां ह्या सरकाराक टिका कोताय की आमगेलो बाणालेचो हेल्थ मॉडेल आणि दिल्लीचो हेल्थ मॉडेल हो जावन आहा वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन इंडिया. आणि आज आय एम प्राऊड हियर टू से that Benaulin leads the way for healthcare in Goa. And why Benaulin is because of our intentions and our fight with the government continuously to make sure that we get such facilities. आज सांगपा खुशालकाय बोगाता हेल्थ केअर युनिट हे जे तुम आज बोर्ड चोयताय ही जी मल्टिपल सर्विसेस डायलिसिस सेंटर डेंटल ओपीडी आणि इमर्जन्सी केअर युनिट 24 आवर्स ह्यो 3 गोष्टी एक मॉडेल करून आज हे फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड विच इज हॅपनिंग इन गोवा. म्हणजे गोंयान 40 आमदार आहे पण आमगे बाणाल्यान आम्ही आज हे हेल्थ केअर युनिट थ्रू गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट आम्ही घडून हाडला. दॅट मीन्स वी हॅव प्रूव्ड दॅट बेनावलीम इज लीडिंग द वे फॉर रुरल हेल्थ केअर डेव्हलपमेंट. And I am thankful to the government of Goa and thankful to the entire team out here. I would specifically like to take a few names. Dr. Pooja Madkekar, Director of Administration, DHS and Under Secretary Health. She has been very instrumental in getting things executed. Dr. Rupa, she also has been very instrumental. Amge Madam Sushma Saini, who is over here, who has been very helpful. Dr. Nixon, who has been very supportive. Ani Amgelo Dr. Bichu as well as Gansham from Apex. So these are the people who have made this module and dream a success. आमदार जालो आणि हेल्थ केअर युनिट येल म्हूण जायना ते 2023 फेब्रुवारी महिन्या असेंब्लींत हांवें मुगे डिमांड घायल्लो की म्हाका एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटर जायो, म्हाका डायलिसीस सेंटर जायो आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींत. आनी जायती भासाभास जाली, जायती ओजत जात मुगेली हेल्थ मिनिस्टरा कडेन, जायत ओजत जात मुगेली चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन, पूण ह्यो सगल्यो ओजत्यो गोंयचे पासत. 2023 आखे ओरोस गेले, 2024 आखे ओरोस गेले आणि 2024 December 1st we opened up our first dialysis center of 2 beds in a sub health center. That is also history in Goa. Sub health center and dialysis unit पुढे ते ओपन को नाही. 2 वर्स जगोन सरकाराकडे फाईल मूव कोन विदाउट लुजिंग द होप सद्दां कितें ना कितें आडकोळ येताल्यो. 1st December 2024 we inaugurated the dialysis unit at the Carmona sub health center. सगळी टीम थिंग आली आणि that unit is successfully running. Around 9 patients we have over there. That unit is full. तेन्ना आमी परत एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटराचेर असेंब्ली पोतोन डिमांड घालपाक लागले. आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी कितें उणी आहा, 24 आवर्स दोतोर ना. कितें जालें जाल्यार जे भाशेन डॉक्टर संदेशान आज म्हणलें राती कोडे समज कोणा हार्टा येयलें, कार्डियक अरेस्ट केलो, कितें वय सकल जालें, जिवा बरें दिसना, मोबरा पोतासून हिंग बाणाले हे डिस्टन्साक 24 आवर्स रातीको दोतोर पडना. सगळ्या वी ऑल हॅव टू रश टू मारगांव. आणि मोबरासून जर तूं मडगांव पावतलो तूं मिनिमम हाफ एन आवर लागताच. सेम वे आम करमणसून पावतलो, वार्कसून पावतलो जाल्यार एक 20-25 मिनटां लागतलोच. सो टुडे वी हॅव मेड अ स्पेसिफीक मॉडेल. आमकां दांतां दोतोर जायो, हिंग डेंटल आसना, आमकां 24 आवर्स दोतोरा सर्वीस जाय एमर्जन्सी ती आसना. आनी डायलिसीस करपाचो जो आमगेले 9 पेशंट आहाय आनी पेशंटां डिमांड आसलो. बिंग अ कोस्टल बेल्ट वी हॅव गॉट हाय इश्यूज ऑफ किडनी आनी डायलिसिसा पेशंट भरपूर आहाय. म्हाका एपेक्स घनश्याम सांगतालो की ऑलरेडी 6 पेशंट्स वी हॅव ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड ओवर हियर फॉर दिस डायलिसिस सेंटर. आज इनॉग्रेट कोताय थिंगा हाय 6 पेशंट्स आर रजिस्टर्ड, which means the demand is there. लोकांक त्रास जाताय आणि लोकांक जो मडगांव असो पडटा, मडगांव नावेल असो पडटा, तांकां आज हिंगा ही फॅसिलिटी आमकां अवेलेबल आहा. एक सांगो सोदतालो, ही जेन्ना फायल 2 वर्स लागली एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटराक, भरपूर वय सकल जालें. फायल रिजेक्ट जाली, फायनान्सां आडायली. This entire team is there to witness my struggle with the various departments to make sure that we get the finance approved, to get various things approved. जायत जाणांन ट्राय केले की वारक्या फातराडेन एसोलो युनिट गरज ना आणि रिजन दिले की नावेली फर्स्ट क्लास फॅसिलिटी आहा गव्हर्मेंटाली जाल्यार वार्कीकारांनी करमणकारांनी केळशकारांनी नायेल वचपा जाता बोगले पड म्हूण बट माय डिमांड अँड माय कन्सिस्टंट एफर्ट वॉज मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एक कोस्टल बेल्ट मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक म्हाका निवडून हाडा आणि मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हेल्थ केअर जरी तरी इम्प्रूव्ह करूं जाय मुगेलो झूज जो आहा सरकारा कडेन हो चालू दवरलो आणि हे झुजा पासत आज आमकां ही हेल्थ सर्व्हिस आज आमगे फातराडे गांवांत मेळ्ळी. जेन्ना 2 म्हयने पयले आमकां ZP हिंग हे सीट फाव जावं ना आमकां कोलवा सीट फाव जाले आणि फातराडे वाड्यान जायत लोकांन आमचे विश्वास धरूं ना आणि आमकां जायत वोट उण पडो तेन्ना जायत जाणांनी हे सांगिल्लें म्हाका की तुका हिंग वोट उण पडो तूं आनी ते सेंटर हिंग कित्याक ओपन करता तूं ते दुसरे जाग्यार व्हर तुगे वोट सुबेज पडटा थिंगा. मुगे एकूच मना आहलें म्हाका जावं 100 लोकांक 150 लोकांक पूण जे लोकांन म्हाका वोट मान निवडून हाडला त्या लोकांन म्हाका जबाबदारी दिल्या की सगळ्या लोकांची हेल्थाची कुयदाद हांवें घेवपा जाय आणि हे युनिट जे फातराड्या हांवें हाडपाक चिंतलोले ते तशें दवरले आणि वी हॅव कंटिन्यूड अँड वी टुडे हॅव डिलिवर्ड अँड इनॉग्रेटेड दिस युनिट इन पातराडे इररेलिव्हंट वॉट एव्हर द वोटिंग पॅटर्न इज. मुगे एकूच तुमकां सगळ्या रिक्वेस्ट जायत जाणांक बरें हांव मान्य जालो ना अजून मुगे कामाचेर आमगे जें काम आमी केलें 4 वर्सां तेजेर आनी जे लोकांनी आमकां वोट मारून एक काम करपाक संदी दिल्या एक सगळ्याक हांव रेस्पेक्ट दितां. आय कॅन ओन्ली कन्विन्स वन थिंग हांवें तुमगे वोटा मान दिल्लो आहा तुम म्हाका जे सिंबलाचे वोट मानो आहा ते सिंबलाचे हांव आहा हांव उडमान वचोन सरकारा बरा रावन BJP वचोन हांवें सरकारा क्लिनीक ओपन केलो हांव ऑपोजिशनार रावन हांवें एक क्लिनीक ओपन केला आणि ऑपोजिशनार रावन गोंयच पासत झुजोन गोंयच लोकां पासत झुजोन मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक हे हेल्थ केअर युनिट फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स इनिशिएटिव्ह आय हॅव मॅनेज टू गेट इट ऑर्गनायज. जायत जाण म्हाका जेन्ना हे इनॉग्रेशन हांवें इन्व्हिटेशन धाडलें म्हणपाक लागले की तुमी सरकारा ह्या दिसान टिका करीत आहाय जाल्यार तूं एक आडी सरकारा टिका करता आनी एक आडी तूं सरकारागे क्लिनीक ओपन करता. सरकार म्हणलो कितें सरकार म्हणलो गव्हर्मेंटागेले पयशे सांबाळपाची एक टीम गव्हर्मेंटागे मंत्री मिनिस्टर म्हणचे आमगेले टॅक्साचे पयशे जे थिंग वयताय तिजोरेन ते कितकोन मोडपा जाय आनी फाव त्या जाग्यार मोडपाक सगळ्यान एकठांय करून हाडलोली टीम. आनी हांव कोस्टल बेल्ट म्हणटरी हांव केन्ना फकाणान जायत पार्टी असेंब्लींत म्हणटा आय होल्ड द लार्जस्ट कोस्ट आनी सिन्स आय होल्ड द लार्जस्ट कोस्ट I give the largest revenue to Goa government. And since I give the largest revenue in terms of tax, I need to get the best of the facilities and that is what I am making sure I am getting for my people of Benaulim constituency. Yes, Angon, I will continue to do my job. हे हातींतल्यान आनी जे देवान गुण दिले तितूंतल्यान ज्यो सर्व्हिस तुमचे पासत करूं शकता त्यो हांव करतलों. तुमगे जी काळज जिखपा जाय फातराडे लोकांची ती हांव जिखतलो. जे बाणाले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकां काळज हांव जिखलो ना ती मुगे कामां वरी हांव जिखतलो आनी तुमगे सपोर्ट हेज्या मुखार म्हाका तुमी दितली तुमचे बारा रावतली आनी हांव मुखार अशें करून बेनावलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ह्यो 7 विलेज्यो केळशी गांव करमणी गांव ओळ्ळे गांव वार्की गांव बाणाले गांव कोलवा गांव आनी सुराले गांव एक पीसफुल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एक मॉडल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी where health and education will be the priority. Our youth safety, our women safety is going to be the priority. And with this dedication, I shall continue this term and I shall be ready for the future if all of you are going to be there with me to take this journey ahead of improving Goa and saving Goa. हे सांगून देव बरें करूं. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. To conclude our formal proceedings, I invite Mr. Francis Carvalho volunteer of Patrade Varka, to say the vote of thanks.
माचेर आसलो आमचो सगळ्यांचोच मोगाचो आमदार सर कॅप्टन वेन्झी वेगस, डिस्टिंग्विश गेस्ट, गांवचो लोक, गांवचे वडील तशेंच दुसरोय गांवचो लोक, ही मेडिकल फॅसिलिटी आमचे फातराचे गांवांत हाडपाक खूब त्रास तोकोस लागलो. ताका लागून along with the organizers, we extend our gratitude to our Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Health Minister, Viswajit Rane, DHS leadership for their continuous support, आणि आमच्या मोगाचे आमदार सर कॅप्टन वेन्झी वेगस. तुमकां सगल्यांक तुमच्या वावराचेर देवान आपले बेडसां घालूं. We also extend our thanks to EMRI, Green Health Service, Apex, Kidney Care, doctors, nurses, and entire medical team. तुमकांय काळजांतान देव बरें करूं आनी देवान तुमच्या वाराचेर आपले बेडसां घालूं. We cannot forget our own office team who works hard day and night, along with our 7 village coordinators. From Seraulim, we have Polly and Kevin. From Kolva, we have Cletus and Philip. From Benaulim, we have Charles. From Varka, we have Gabby. From Olim, we have Stellan and Manuel. From Carmona, we have teacher Vanessa. And from Kavlasi, we have Cletus and Natty. सगळ्यांक तुमकां आयज तुमचो वेळ काडून तुमी हांगा आयल्या म्हणून काळजांतान देव बरें करूं.
This brings us to the end of today's formal program. On behalf of the Directorate of Health Services and the Government of Goa, we thank all the dignitaries and the guests for their gracious presence. Thank you for joining us today and have a wonderful day ahead. Dev bare karo.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Lagi मुझ में ओ मेलो कितरे रास्ता पोज मरे
जॉन बाब टायर झाल्या मरे ब्रेक आनी केस लागतले.
मुझे भाशे हड्डे जाले इथे
हॉडी चेंज कर मरे.
कितें
टायर चेंज कर मरे.
खंय चेंज केला बरे हेच योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस.
ओय योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस सगळे टायर सोल्युशन एका जाग्यार. नवे टायर्स विथ 5 years अनकंडिशनल वॉरंटी.
वाह
मॅगविल्स,
वाह
टायर चेंज, टायर सर्विस,
वाह
नायट्रोजन गॅस, बिल अलाइनमेंट अँड बॅलन्सिंग,
अरे वाह.
पेपरलेस बिलिंग आणि जायते हे सगळे बेस्ट प्राइस आणि एक्सप्रेस सर्विस आहा.
गाडी सारखी बटर आणि सर्विस सारखी फास्ट मरे.
फास्ट नो एक्सप्रेस योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस ऑपोजिट सनशाइन हॉस्पिटल, आलेम हायवे, मारगांव. आनी मग दोतोरा घेवत मरे.
पळय